How to grow catmint, a fragrant and easy-to-grow perennial for your garden. Catmint, scientifically known as Nepeta, is a delightful and versatile perennial plant cherished for its fragrant foliage, vibrant blooms, and its ability to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Often confused with catnip, catmint is a popular choice for gardens due to its low-maintenance nature and its capacity to thrive in various conditions. With its charming lavender, blue, or white flowers and gray-green leaves, catmint adds a touch of beauty and elegance to any garden or landscape. Whether used as a border plant, ground cover, or as an accent in containers, catmint is a favorite among gardeners of all levels. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the step-by-step process of successfully growing and caring for catmint, from choosing the right variety to providing proper maintenance and enjoying its fragrant and alluring presence in your garden. Selecting the right catmint varieties. Catmint comes in various species and cultivars, each offering different flower colors, sizes, and growth habits. Some popular catmint varieties include Nepeta x Fossini Walker's Low, known for its compact growth and lavender blue flowers, and Nepeta racemosa 6 Hills Giant, which produces tall spikes of blossoms. Choose the catmint variety that best suits your garden design, climate, and preferences. Choosing the planting location. Catmint thrives in full sun to light shade, making it adaptable to various garden locations. Select a site with well-draining soil that is enriched with organic matter. Catmint prefers a slightly alkaline to neutral soil pH, around 6.0 to 7.0. Planting catmint seeds or transplants. Follow these steps to plant catmint seeds or transplants. Planting time. Catmint seeds can be sown directly outdoors in the spring after the last frost date in your area. Alternatively, you can start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost date and transplant the seedlings outdoors once they are well established. Soil preparation. Prepare the planting area by removing weeds and rocks. Work in compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and drainage. Sowing seeds. If sowing seeds directly, scatter them on the soil surface and gently press them into the soil. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and water gently. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seedlings emerge. Transplanting. If starting from transplants, dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball of the catmint. Place the plant in the center of the hole and fill the sides with soil. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Watering and moisture requirements. Catmint is relatively drought tolerant once established. Water newly planted catmint regularly to help the roots establish themselves. Once the plants are established, water deeply but infrequently, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Providing proper care. To ensure healthy growth and abundant blooms, follow these care guidelines for catmint. Fertilization. Catmint does not require heavy fertilization. A light application of balanced fertilizer in the spring can support its growth. Avoid excessive fertilization, as it may lead to lush foliage at the expense of flowers. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around the base of the catmint. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and suppress weed growth. Deadheading. Remove faded flowers regularly by pinching or cutting off the spent blooms. Deadheading encourages the plant to produce more flowers and prevents self-seeding. Pruning. Trimming catmint back by about 1/3 of its height after the first flush of blooms can encourage a second round of flowering later in the season and prevent the plant from becoming overly leggy. Protecting from pests and diseases. Catmint is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, it may occasionally encounter issues such as aphids or powdery mildew. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases and take appropriate measures, such as using insecticidal soap or fungicides if necessary. Growing catmint in your garden is a rewarding and fragrant experience. By following the step-by-step instructions provided in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully cultivate catmint and enjoy its fragrant foliage and charming blooms. Embrace the process, provide proper care, and be rewarded with a garden adorned with these beautiful and pollinator-attracting flowers, adding a touch of allure and serenity to your landscape. Happy growing!